Welcome to the Compost channel. Today, we're going to explore an amazing composting secret. This method helps you create high-quality compost in just 6 weeks with no bad smell. Many people have failed before because their compost piles produced unpleasant odors and attracted lots of flies. But don't worry, this video will show you how to completely solve all those frustrating problems. Kitchen organic waste is not trash. It's actually a valuable resource. When handled properly, it turns into rich black gold that improves your soil. This black gold provides abundant nutrients that help plants grow strong and healthy. As a result, we can significantly reduce our dependence on chemical fertilizers. Industrial chemical fertilizers often have negative impacts on the natural environment. Composting at home is a practical way to protect our green planet. However, to succeed, you need to understand 5 core scientific principles. The first principle, and the most important one, is the proper carbon-to-nitrogen ratio. You need to create a perfect balance between dry brown materials and fresh green materials. Brown materials include dry leaves, small branches, shredded paper, or straw, and they are rich in carbon. Meanwhile, green materials like fresh grass and kitchen scraps provide a large amount of nitrogen. The ideal ratio for strong microbial activity is 30 parts brown to 1 part green. If your compost has too much green material, it will quickly become wet and smelly. On the other hand, if there's too much brown material, decomposition will slow down significantly. The second principle we must pay close attention to is the temperature of the compost pile. A proper hot compost pile can reach temperatures between 50 and 70 degrees Celsius. This high temperature plays a crucial role in completely eliminating pathogens. It also helps destroy weed seeds hiding inside the pile. Thanks to this intense heat, the composting time is shortened to just 6 weeks. If the temperature is not high enough, the waste will simply rot and produce foul odors. The third principle is directly related to moisture, or the water content of the compost. Water is essential for microorganisms to live and thrive. The ideal moisture level should feel like a wrung-out sponge. When you squeeze a handful of compost, only a few drops of water should come out. If the compost is too dry, microorganisms will stop working and decomposition will stall. If it's too wet, water fills the air pockets and pushes out oxygen. This leads us to the fourth essential principle, proper aeration. Oxygen determines the difference between clean decomposition and smelly rotting. Aerobic microorganisms need plenty of oxygen to break down organic waste efficiently. When oxygen is lacking, anaerobic microbes take over and produce terrible odors. To ensure enough oxygen, you should turn your compost pile once a week. Turning not only adds oxygen, but also redistributes moisture and heat evenly. You can use a rake or shovel to make turning easier. Each time you turn the pile, you'll feel heat rising, showing that microbes are actively working. If the pile is too compacted, add small branches to create air pockets. These pockets act like natural ventilation channels that keep the compost alive. Finally, the fifth principle is the size of the materials you add to the compost. The smaller the pieces, the greater the surface area for microorganisms to work on. Think of it like chewing your food before swallowing. Chopping kitchen waste and breaking down branches speeds up decomposition significantly. You don't need to grind everything. I just cut them into pieces about 5 centimeters long. These small pieces will be quickly consumed by hungry bacteria within a few weeks. By strictly following these 5 principles, you are creating a perfect microbial factory. There will be no foul smells to attract flies or pests. Pests are only drawn to anaerobic, smelly decomposition. A healthy compost pile will have a pleasant, earthy forest smell. That smell is the clearest sign that you're doing things right. During the 6 weeks of waiting, you will witness a magical transformation of nature. From messy waste, it gradually shrinks and turns into dark, crumbly material. Harmful pathogens and stubborn weed seeds are completely destroyed by the high heat. In the end, you will have nutrient-rich compost ready for your garden. Your garden soil will become fertile, retain water better, and be full of life. Plants will grow lush, bloom, and bear fruit thanks to this safe, natural food source. Reusing household waste not only saves money, but also protects the environment. Every family can create an effective closed-loop waste system at home. Don't let fear of smells or flies stop you from starting this amazing journey. Just follow these 5 simple scientific principles, and success will come. Start collecting dry leaves and kitchen scraps today. You'll soon realize that composting is both fun and meaningful. Your vegetable garden will stay green all year thanks to this black gold secret. Thank you for spending your valuable time watching this detailed guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next videos on the Compost channel.